بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين وبعد. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tajweed 101 course, simple step-by-step Tajweed course that enables you inshallah to read the Quran properly. My name is Maghfira and I am an online Quran teacher and you are watching Maghfira Education, the place to know how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we're going to continue what we have already started, and today we are going to know what is the mistakes that may happen when read letter Ayn. So we are going to know mistakes of Ayn letter. So let's start. So let's move now to the mistakes that may happen to letter Ayn on the recitation. We have some mistakes that may happen so clearly, so let's try to know them. Number one is the heaviness. As you listen that from me, when I read the it is and the tongue is completely sitting down to the lower jaw. And from the first mistakes that may happen to the letter Ayn or to Ayn letter is the heaviness. What is heaviness, as you remember? Heaviness, it is to elevate the posterior part of the tongue up when we read the letter, when we read Ayn letter. So for example, in this word, okay, also, because the next letter to the Ayn is Sad, which is a heavy letter, or which we need to elevate the posterior part of the tongue up when we read this Sad, some may read the Ayn as also, and it is not all. How to solve this problem? How to skip it? By lower the tongue back to its rest state. So not also. Okay, instead of also, it is So this is the mistake number one. The next mistake is weakness or incomplete. What does that mean? Weakness, when I decrease the stress needed for Ayn letter. Okay? When I stress less on the makhraj. So you feel that it looks like alif or ha, or you can't really recognize what is the letter is. And the Ayn letter is not It is not like this. It is How to solve this problem? Stress more on its makhraj, which is the middle part of the throat, moving the reed or moving the epiglottis inside. Okay, so make the sound of vomiting. Na'budu, and do not make it as a heavy or as a heavy alif, heavy mad. Na'budu. It is not na, it is na. And this is from the hardest letters that I really face, especially for the English tongue sisters. So this is number two from the mistakes that may happen. Number three is to cut its sound. This is due to moving the Ayn to be near from the alif. Okay, so for example, ya'malun. Instead of reading it like that, someone may read it as ya'malun. You see the hamza is so close to the hamza, and the sound of Ayn is not the same way of it should be. So ya'malun, or over closing the epiglottis may lead the sound to be so similar to the hamza. And how to do that, how to fix this problem, how to skip this problem, it is to put or make the Ayn sound similar to the vomiting sound. Ya'malun. The fourth mistake is reading it as a ha or as a hamza. For example, when we have Ayn and we didn't allow some sound to kept inside, the sound will be ha, right? So if we have, for example, ya'malu or ya'malun, someone may do it as ya'malun, How to solve this problem? By stressing more on the epiglottis. Close the throat, okay, with the esophagus part. Yeah, okay. And the second mistakes that may happen when we do it as a hamza, as the previous mistake. So let's read this part. Inappropriate and over opening the articulation point leads lots of sound and air pass, which leads to produce ha letter. So like for example, alimul ghaibi, inappropriate way, or the mistake may happen here is ha. It is not ha, it is a. Keep some sound inside, then move to the next. Yeah, the second mistake that may happen is merging. Merging, especially done when I have two ayn after each other. Okay? Two ayn after each other. When, like for example, تطلعوا على الأفئدة. تطلعوا. From the mistakes that may happen here is merging the two ayn to be one. تطلعوا. No, it is تطلعوا على الأفئدة. Like this. Until now, the mistakes of ayn is completed. So I leave you now to practice on the ayn letter until you able to read it. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask me on the comments. And if you are with us on the group of application, I am waiting for your application so we can fix the mistakes together. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Catch you on the next lesson, inshallah. See you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.